Today, we're talking about one of life's biggest moments, buying a car. But before you grab the keys to your dream ride, let's talk about the not so glamorous part, vehicle finance. Yep, the thing that makes or breaks your car buying adventure. So, you want to buy a car, but you don't have a suitcase full of cash. No problem. Vehicle finance lets you buy a car without paying the full price up front. The most common way is through a car loan, which sounds simple enough until you realize there are terms and interest rates and repayment options that could turn your dream drive into a financial nightmare if you're not careful. Here's the deal. A bank like ABSA or another financial institution lends you the money to buy a car and you pay them back every month. Loan terms usually go up to 72 months, but recently some stretch up to 96 months. That's 8 years. By the time you're done paying it off, your car's probably old enough to vote. Now let's talk interest rates. This is where things get spicy. You can either go with a fixed rate, which stays the same, good for predictable budgeting, but not great if interest rates drop. Or you can go with a linked rate, which changes according to the repo rate. If the interest rate drops, great. But if it rises, let's just say your monthly repayment is going to feel a lot like gym membership fees, always creeping up. The balloon payment. It makes your monthly installment lower, which is amazing, right? But here's the catch. At the end of your loan, you will owe one big lump sum. If you can't afford it, you can take out another loan to pay off the balloon, or you can sell the car to make up the difference. A deposit is your best friend when financing a car. It lowers your loan amount, reduces your interest, and makes your monthly installment way more manageable. Plus, lenders love buyers who put down a deposit. It shows that you're financially responsible, like bringing your own shopping bags to the grocery store. Small effort, big rewards. Want a car that's older than 12 years? A traditional vehicle loan might not work, but a personal loan might be an option. Since it's unsecured, you don't have to use the car as collateral. It's perfect for buying from private sellers or getting a vintage gem. Just make sure you're not financing a car that spends more time in the repair shop than on the road. Look, we all want that award-winning car, but smart financing is what keeps your purchase stress-free. Use our ABSA Vehicle Finance Calculator to get a sense of what your installments will look like, because nothing kills that new car smell faster than realizing you can't afford the repayments. So drive smart, finance wisely, and enjoy the ride. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car buying tips. See you on the road.
Let's find what moves you. Cars.co.za